recording. I'm going to start recording.
Oh boy. He's
That's
going to
Lisa.
record you.
There she is right over there. Lisa is, of course, with Parties. Is it Party? I always get it wrong. Parties
at
the Plaza. Because it's on the Plaza, too. Right, Lisa?
Yes, but the official 5 to 8 p.m. is at the Plaza.
Lisa,
on the Plaza,
did you know?
Parties at the Plaza.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm confused again. Parties at the Plaza.
Yeah, it is.
And hey, there's Jess right over there. You can't ever see her. It's real bright in the background.
Yeah.
Did you know that tomorrow? I'm going to go back to Lisa. I like watching her. Did you know that tomorrow is the last Parties at the Plaza of the season?
Oh, that's kind of sad.
I know.
It's very, very sad, but
lots going on.
yeah, you know, there were a few Thursdays that were kind of tough weather-wise. This might be the best weather that we could have had and probably have had all season long. What's it supposed to be in the 80s tomorrow?
85.
How awesome is that?
Wow.
Between 5 and 6, Westport Plaza, you get half-price drinks too, correct?
Absolutely.
Would that include what you brought us?
It will.
This drink.
No, stop right there. It's a tease. We'll talk about the stuff that she brought. Ooh, and then I'll flip phone that again too, and put it all online so you can see what you hear.
I was just going to go ahead and put it out there that this drink is amazing.
Okay.
It's changed my life.
Lisa, you stay right there, okay?